What is up, guys? We just want to come and introduce our new product. That is ARMORLine. ARMORLine is a replacement for your plastic airlines. There doesn't seem to be anything out there right now where anyone's really providing a better option. Plastic airlines get the job done, and that's about as far as they go, right? I mean, at the end of the day, they're kind of shit. They leak, they break, they never work properly. They're not a long-term solution, and we wanted something that was better. So over the past few years and across probably a dozen different vehicles, we've been modifying and designing and just coming up with a replacement option. And that is where ARMORLine comes in. This is going to be kind of the next thing for air suspension. If you are looking to upgrade your kit and get a more reliable system, but a system that also looks better and performs better, ARMORLine is going to be that answer for you. So make sure you check out our website. Link is in the bio. It'll take you right to our ARMORLine page where you can kind of get an idea of what the lines are, how they work, the different type of kits that we offer, all of that. But until then, check out some of the builds that already have this beautiful kit on them, and stay tuned as we've got plenty more content coming.